We on that. We on that Sprite. That 7-Up. That lemon and lime. It's not a crime to be on lemon and lime. Sweet Jesus. Yes, Lord. Take the wheel. Here we are, children, Lord. Yes. Yeah. Oh, oops. If you guys see the tripod that I had to make for this video, no, it's just disgusting. So, I did a poll on Twitter asking you guys to basically pick my eye colors and my lip colors, and I put like screenshots of the results everywhere. But the colors that won for the eyes were purple, pink, black, and any glitter shade that I want to use in my eye. And for my lips, it was a nude or a brown and red. So we're gonna see how this goes. I was really hoping you guys would pick some serious crazy colors, because I can really picture a look for the colors I'm gonna use in my eyes already. You guys need to be a bit more flamboyant. I'm just gonna go into the Zulu palette, okay? And I'm also gonna be using my new palette. This is the Huda Beauty. I'm not a fan of her, but because I saw the colors and I die for colors, okay? I love colors more than warm. I live for like bright colors more than like the warm palettes. So yeah, I went for this palette. As you can see, it's very pigmented. Well, not pigmented, but it's very like boom in your face. And yeah, we're gonna play in these two palettes. First color I'm gonna go into is a pink from this palette, from the Zulu palette. And I'm just gonna brush that. What is... Oh, I'm just gonna... This... Wow, okay. Jesus. Take the wheel. I'm just gonna go in with this pink in the crease, in a bomber clap crease. And we're just gonna crease it out, because that's just the way life should go. We should crease it out, bro. And gotta shake it up, cause tomorrow it's the same. And you keep on playing games like you know I'm ready to say. I gotta shake it up, just can't commission it. Okay, we are gonna go in with another brush, cause two can play your game, that game. Two can play that game. Oh, that game. Yeah. It's actually been a week since we buried my brother. It's crazy how the week just goes by. So but it's crazy how like it's just going by so fast. I'm gonna try focus this purple just right there in the center of the nation of the eye. Gonna just focus it right. Yeah, but what I said, it's just crazy how a week goes by. Like, the weeks are going by so fast. You know why? Because Jesus is coming, which means you guys and myself, we need to get ourselves in correlation with Jesus. We need to get that correlation correct. We need to get that relationship correct so we can get to heaven. Are you dumb? I don't have time to burn. I hate heat. So, me thinking that the heat here, the humidity here is hot. Listen, when I get, well, listen, God forbid I go to hell, but when I get to hell, I'm burning right now. I have two lights shining Jesus shine on me, yeah, and I'm burning. So imagine hell now. Yeah, no one will survive. So get that correlation, that relationship with Jesus incorrect. Get that relationship with Jesus correct. So can play your game, that game. So can, ooh, I'm liking this. So can play that game. Baby boom, baby boom. What I'm gonna do, I might add the black later. I don't know if I should add the black now. If I should add the black after the purple. I mean, after the glitter. I have this new palette that I got on eBay. It's called Glamier. It's called Glamier. Let me show y'all what's in here. It's a 15 color eyeshadow palette, and it has 8 oh, you can't see it. It has 8 different shades of glitter. So we're gonna work with that today, okay? Okay, so I've cut the crease to give me like a guide of where I want to put my glitter. So I'm gonna go back just on top of the line where I cut the crease to make the purple more vibrant with this kind of brush. I don't know what the brush is. What do you call this brush? Does it have a name? It's called an eyebrow mascara brush, okay? So I'm just gonna go over. Okay, now I'm going to go in with She Block. The She Block. So we come with that glitter. It's gonna get really messy when you use that glitter. It's gonna get really messy when you use that glitter. 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 And I'm gonna go with my sleek palette. 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 It's called Au Natural. It's called Au Natural. I'm gonna go with my sleek palette. I'm gonna use the black and the sleek palette. It's called Au Natural. It's called a natural. And I'm gonna go in the corner. I'm gonna go in the corner. The corner. I'm gonna go in the corner. And pardon me. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to place the black just on the corner. Not going to do much blending, just because I will go back in with the pink to blend out the black. But right now we're just going to put the black there, and you don't want it to be neat. You want it to be kind of messy, because then it looks better when it's messy. If you understand, like, you know what? Yeah. And did you see what I did? And I came in the black one. I don't know what color, because I could go in with a nice pink or purple. Yeah, but then that's just going to be too much of a... I might go with a red, because I am doing red lips. Guys, I'm going to go with red. Quickly go in and fix up this black, because I can see by the way I'm adding this glitter on, it's gonna get everywhere. So I'm going in with the brush that I used for the purple, just to make sure this is not too much of a harsh black. Oh. Okay, this is the best part. Putting on the cocaine. Yeah, you're always gonna put cocaine on your face. It's always good to have cocaine for backups when you're like setting powder, when you finish out your setting powder, because then you can just use your cocaine to set your face, you know? Don't let people tell you drugs are bad, because when cocaine can set the shit out your face, then boy, how the hell is drugs bad? How? Tell me, Sway. So I'm using this new, I knew I was going to do this. I'm using this new setting powder. It's which one is it? The Revolution Luxury Powder in Banana Cocaine. And let me tell you something, guys. I am not a fan of it at all. At all. Just because gives me like a very, very white cast, surprisingly. I would have expected the Laura Mercier to give me a white cast. I have got glitter in my eye. I would have expected the Laura Mercier to give me a white cast, but no, this one gives me a white cast. So I did mix it with the Laura Mercier powder. I'm just going to go in with a fluffy brush, just sweeping the purple and pink just right underneath my eyes. Ah, James, just take the wheel. Okay, now I've put on some highlighter and done my lashes, bottom lashes, put on like a nude. I forgot what I put on. A nude what? I put on nude eyeliner in my waterline, and I've also just basically done like the basics and stuff. Going in with this brown lip liner because you guys picked either a nude or a brown lip liner. So I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner. This is from Makeup Revolution. It's called Glory. I'm gonna go in with Lime Crimes, Velveteen and Red Velvet. I had Ruby Woo, but I'm not a real fan of Ruby Woo. I don't know. Oh yeah, you guys picked red as another lip colour. So yeah. Let's hope this looks nice. Okay. That's why I went with a red glitter, because you guys picked a red lip liner. I mean red lip. So I kind of wanted to match. Whose man's is this? Let's get married. Meet me at the altar in your white dress. Young girl in my soul to whose man's is, oh my gosh, what? Drake. Marry me. Okay. I was gonna put on a lip gloss, but I don't think it needs a lip gloss. You know, I was gonna put on like a nude brown lip gloss, but I don't even think, guys. I know I look good. You guys, she gotta put on her wig. I ain't gonna do my edges because you guys won't be buying me new edges. It's not every time I slick up my edges. Sometimes I just let my edges breathe because I don't have time for my edges to be dropping out, you know. And like I said, you guys are not gonna buy me new edges. So, whose man's is this? Come collect your man, cause damn, man, you looking fine as hell. Like damn, man, like, is you single or what? Like, this is how my lips are matte, yeah. And I'm gonna see how it looks with some gloss, because even though matte looks good, I'm scared. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it. Oh, like, okay. Oh, Drake. Drake, come collect. Come collect. Come come collect. Anyways, guys, so this is the look. Like, what the, you know, like, damn, like, whose man's is this? I like it. I like it. I really do like it. Like, my edges aren't like done, but I still look like, damn, like, look at this. Like, okay. Anyways, guys, so this is the look. This is the colors that you guys picked for me, and I came up with this kind of look. So I'm kind of happy that you guys did pick these colors. But I do hope next time, if I ever do anything like this again, that you guys do pick crazy colors, like orange with a green, you know, or yellow with a red. Something like that, you know. But yeah, this is the look, guys. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I enjoyed this. It's really fun. I love this look. And I hope to see you guys. I like a matte lip better. But I hope to see you guys in my next video. So, deuces.